The UK has introduced the world's first AI legal judge, and the future of justice is changing. In this jaw-dropping exposé, we uncover how artificial intelligence is entering courtrooms and making real legal rulings, with no human judge writing the decision. It's fast, it's efficient, and it's terrifying. In this deep dive, you'll discover how the UK's new AI judge operates behind the scenes, the ethical and emotional debates shaking legal institutions, global examples from Estonia, China, and the USA, the risks of AI bias, hacking, and the loss of human empathy in justice. The question no one is ready to answer: can you truly trust a machine with your fate? This video is a chilling look at the next phase of law, and why it's not just lawyers who should care. Should we allow machines to judge humans? Is this the beginning of post-human law? Stay informed, stay human, watch till the end. Subscribe to Future Way for the most critical tech revelations shaping tomorrow.
257 257 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0 257 257 25.
The first AI judge, can you trust it? Welcome back to Future Way, where we unpack the future before it arrives on your doorstep. Today's story isn't just mind-blowing, it's history-making. Because for the first time ever, a legal judgment in the United Kingdom has been made by an AI system. That's right, an AI judge, not a human, not a jury, made a ruling with real-world legal consequences. And the biggest question now echoing around courtrooms, law schools, and public forums isn't about how it works. It's, can we trust it? What does it mean to hand over justice, the very foundation of society, to a machine? Let's break this down. The UK has quietly launched a pilot program where legal AI systems assist in civil claims under £5,000. Think small disputes, consumer claims, rental disagreements, minor contract violations. But here's the twist. In some cases, human judges only reviewed, not wrote, the final decision. The ruling logic came from an AI, trained on thousands of historical UK cases using legal precedent and natural language reasoning algorithms. This isn't a chatbot. This is a system that analyzes arguments, compares them to centuries of legal doctrine, applies logic, and delivers a verdict. It can even write explanations, cite case law, and recommend legal pathways. Supporters say this is the future. Faster trials, cheaper justice, reduced backlogs, and objective rulings with no emotional bias. But not everyone is celebrating. Legal experts in Oxford, London, and Edinburgh are raising alarm bells. Because law isn't just logic, it's human context. It's subtlety, intention, emotion, morality. How does a machine understand trauma, regret, cultural norms? How does it weigh conflicting testimonies or ethical gray zones? And most of all, what if it's wrong? Already, privacy advocates in the UK have voiced concern. What data does the AI use? Is it unbiased? Can it be audited? If an AI judge makes an error, who is responsible? And here's the deeper issue. Can a citizen truly feel they've had a fair trial if their fate was decided by code, not conscience? Let's go global. In Estonia, an AI system handles small financial claims. In China, algorithms assist in legal interpretation and sentencing recommendations. In the US, predictive policing and AI sentencing tools like Compass have been accused of racial and socioeconomic bias. And now, with the UK stepping forward, the question isn't if AI enters the legal system, it's how far it will go. Imagine a future courtroom with no judge, no jury, just a screen. Lawyers submit evidence digitally, AI reviews and rules, appeals go to another algorithm, and justice becomes a service, not a process. Fast, efficient, and maybe cold. But here's the paradox. AI can remove human flaws or strip away human values. Judges sometimes fail, but they also show compassion, discretion, even mercy. Can an AI understand the pain of a grieving mother? The repentance of a reformed criminal? Can it recognize a case that needs not just law, but wisdom? And here's where it gets more controversial. Legal AIs are being trained not just on UK law, but on global case law. What happens when an AI trained in European, American, and international legal reasoning begins to unify legal logic? Could it influence courts to rule in more homogenized, less culturally sensitive ways? Could it unintentionally reshape law itself? Then there's the hacking risk. Imagine a compromised legal AI issuing rulings for financial disputes, impacting business decisions, bankruptcies, or even elections. Legal AI systems must be watertight in security, logic, and transparency. Yet very few people understand how these models actually work. Still, the momentum is unstoppable. Legal firms are already using AI to write contracts, predict outcomes, and even coach clients before hearings. AI arbitrators are settling disputes in blockchain courts. And legal chatbots like Do Not Pay are helping users fight parking fines, submit lawsuits, and claim consumer rights without ever seeing a courtroom. So now, we arrive at the deeper question. Not, can AI make legal decisions? But should it? Are we outsourcing human judgment to systems that cannot feel what we feel, and therefore may never fully understand justice? For now, AI judges are confined to low-stakes cases. But history shows, once a door opens, the rest of the building follows. The UK's first AI judge might rule on parking fines today. But what about custody battles tomorrow? What about corporate lawsuits, political trials, or criminal sentences? Is it fair? Is it safe? Is it inevitable? And how do citizens respond to rulings they can't interpret, question, or even understand? Trust in law depends on transparency and humanity, both things AI struggles with. Yet in an overloaded, underfunded court system, many believe AI is the only way forward. The debate is dividing lawyers, politicians, tech ethicists, and the public alike. Conclusion, CTA. So what do you think? Would you trust an AI judge to rule on your case? Do you believe machines can deliver true justice? Or is justice something only humans can feel? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We want to hear your voice. Like this video if it opened your mind. Subscribe to Future Way for weekly deep dives into the future of AI, ethics, law, and power. And hit that bell, because the next courtroom revolution might come from a line of code. This isn't a prediction. It's already happening. The first AI judge has ruled. The world will never see justice the same again.